Hello guys, hope you're doing well. In this video, I will explain you how you can get ChatGPT Go account for free. Okay. So first of all, you need to connect your VPN to India. Okay. You can see here, this is one-click VPN. I'm using this. And after that, you need to go to your browser. Okay. Any browser and log in your ChatGPT account. So after that, we will need a fake address. Okay. And a credit card for payment. You can see here. Okay. So okay, when you will connect your VPN to India, you will see there is a free offer. Okay, I'm using VPN, so it's getting slow. Okay, by clicking on free offer, this will redirect you to payment page. So we can make payment here. Okay, it's opening. It's getting slow because we are connected to India VPN, and I'm using one-click VPN. It's good for creating accounts like this, but it's slow. It is slow. So no problem. We will wait. Now it's open. This page have opened. Okay. So first of all, you can see here we will need address. Okay, so I will provide you the these address and credit card bin in video comment box, and in description. Okay, so for address you can use fake address generator. There is so many websites. You can just search on Google fake address generator India, right? Fake address India. You can search by using this keyword and you will get results. So you can use any website and enter the address like city, town, and zip code. Okay, and after that you need to open namsogen website. Okay, for card generator. So I will provide you bin in comment and description, so you can use that bin to generate fake cards. Okay, for this payment. So I just copy a card and paste it here, expiry date and security number. Okay, you can just enter a random name. Okay, like I'm entering here Rajesh Kumar. Okay, so after check I will press subscribe button. It's processing. Let's see what will happen. If it succeeds, it's okay, but if it's failed, we will try again. We will try again with different card. There is so many cards, so we will try again with that. Okay, but also it will be succeed. It's waiting. It's processing still. Yeah, yeah. Oh, it's success. So now we have got our Chat GPT Go for 1 year. You can use it for writing, and if you are a student, you can use in study purpose. If you are content creator, you can use for that. If you are a trader, if you are a forex crypto trader, you can use it. This will help you in analysis in market, in sentiments, fundamental to understand in everything. So this is this is gem for everyone. You can here you can see here ChatGPT 552, and this is Go model. Yeah, this is Go plan has been